Okay, we are going to study about letter S. Again, we are going to study about letter S. The sound of letter S is S. S. The sound of letter S is S. S. Very good. So we have here snake, snake. Again, say snake, snake. Very good. We have sun, sun. One more time, sun, sun. And we have sheep, sheep. One more time, sheep, sheep. These are the things that starts with letter S. These are the things that starts with letter S. Snake, snake. Sun, sun. Sheep, sheep. Very good. Now let's do an exercises. Snake, sheep, sun. So match the picture of the correct answer. So you have here on this side, you have the pictures and you have the words. Okay, let's recall first. We have snake, snake, sheep, sheep, and sun, sun. Now let's go to our exercises. Match the pictures. Okay, I will read to you and you are going to tell me where is it? Where is the picture that match the words? Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, this one is sheep. Sheep. Where is the sheep? Very good. That is the sheep. Okay, good job. Did you get the correct answer? Very good. Next, we have snake. Snake. Where is the snake? Did you get the correct answer? Very good. Snake. Snake. And the last one, sun. Sun. Where is the sun? Did you get the correct answer? Good job. So this is the sun. Can you say it once again? Sun, sun. Sheep, sheep. Snake, snake. Very good. Again, snake, snake. Sheep, sheep. Sun, sun. They are the things that starts with letter S. Letter S. Very good. See you again next time. Goodbye.